Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of extended reality, or XR. Now, XR is a term that encompasses virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. Think of it as a spectrum of experiences that blend the physical and digital worlds in different ways. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. Let's get started. Imagine putting on a pair of goggles and suddenly finding yourself in a completely different world. That's virtual reality, VR. With VR, you're fully immersed in a digital environment, and it's like stepping into another universe. These experiences are common in gaming and virtual tours, where you can explore and interact with a world created entirely by computers. Then there's augmented reality, AR, which is more about enhancing the real world with digital elements. Imagine pointing your phone at a street and seeing restaurant reviews pop up over the buildings, or playing a game where creatures appear to be right in your living room. AR is like adding layers of digital information on top of the real world, making it richer and more interactive. Mixed reality, MR, is like a hybrid of VR and AR. Here, digital objects not only overlay the real world, but also interact with it. For example, you could place a virtual model of a car in your garage and walk around it as if it were really there, tweaking its design with hand gestures. AR merges the digital and physical worlds so seamlessly that they coexist and interact in real time. Applications of extended reality. Now, let's talk about where you might see XR in action. In healthcare, for instance, VR is used for training surgeons. Imagine a doctor practicing a complex surgery in a virtual environment before ever touching a patient. AR, on the other hand, can help surgeons by overlaying critical information during an operation, like showing the exact location of a tumor beneath the skin. In education, XR can make learning much more engaging. Think about history lessons where students can take virtual tours of ancient civilizations, or science classes where they can conduct virtual experiments. These immersive experiences make learning more interactive and fun. Gaming and entertainment have been transformed by XR. VR offers incredibly immersive gaming experiences where you can explore fantastical worlds, while AR games like Pokémon Go bring digital creatures into the real world, making your surroundings part of the game. Retail and e-commerce also benefit from XR. Imagine shopping for furniture online and using AR to see how a couch would look in your living room before buying it. This kind of visualization helps customers make better decisions without leaving their homes. In the real estate industry, XR allows potential buyers to take virtual tours of properties from anywhere in the world. It's a game changer for remote property viewings, saving time and travel costs. Manufacturing and design see significant advantages with XR. Engineers can visualize and test new designs in a virtual space, catching potential issues before they become real problems. AR can also guide workers through complex assembly processes, improving efficiency and accuracy. Even tourism gets a boost from XR. Virtual tours can give people a taste of far-off destinations, and AR apps can enhance real-world travel experiences by providing rich, interactive content about the places you're visiting. The future of extended reality. The future of XR is incredibly exciting. As technology advances, we can expect lighter and more comfortable headsets, better software, and smarter AI that enhances these experiences. Plus, with the rollout of 5G networks, we'll see faster and more reliable XR experiences, making these technologies even more accessible and seamless. Extended reality is reshaping how we interact with the world around us. From gaming and entertainment to healthcare and education, XR technologies offer innovative solutions across various industries. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for XR are virtually limitless. Thanks for joining us today on Aqua Platycodon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights.